Hello everyone, I am Roshni Jain from RSJ Polytechnic Shirpur. Today we are going to discuss about the topic decimal fraction. So what is decimal fraction? A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is 10 or multiple of 10 like 100, 1000, 10,000 etc. are called as decimal fraction. Also, we write the decimal fractions with a decimal point, that is without a denominator, that makes easier to solve maths calculation like addition and multiplication on a fractions. Let us see the example. What is the difference between the biggest and the smallest fraction among 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 5 and the 5 upon 6? There are 4 options are given here. A is 1 upon 6, B is 1 upon 12, C is 1 upon 20 and D option is 1 upon 30. Let us see the solution. Converting each of the given fractions into the decimal form we get. So first fraction is that 2 upon 3 and converting this fraction into the decimal form is equals to what? 0.66. Next fraction is 3 upon 4 which is equals to 0.75. Next is 4 upon 5, this is 4 upon 5 which is equals to 0.8 and 5 upon 6 is equals to 0.833. Now observe this decimal form. Since 0.833 which is a greater value than 0.8, this value is greater than 0.75 which is greater than 0.66. So conclusion is that 0.833, this is a decimal form of the 5 by 6. That's why 5 by 6 is greater than 4 upon 5. So 0.8 is the decimal form of the 4 upon 5. That's why 4 upon 5 which is greater than 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4, it means the 0.75 is the decimal form of the 3 upon 4 and which is greater than 2 upon 3. So required difference is equals to 5 upon 6. This is a biggest value and 2 upon 3 is the smallest value. That's why 5 upon 6 minus 2 upon 3 which is equals to 1 upon 6 and answer A is a correct option. So next, if 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on up to 9 cube which is equals to 2025, then the value of 0.11 cube plus 0.22 cube plus and so on 0.99 cube is close to what? Again there are 4 options are given here. Let us see the solution. This is a given series and find the value of this series. So 0.11 cube plus 0.22 cube plus and so on 0.99 cube which is equals to. So in this type of example we use the simple mathematical logic is that 0.11 is a common term in all series. That's why 0.11 bracket cube is a take outside the common and in bracket remaining term is that. So 1 cube plus 2 cube up to and so on 9 cube, that is equals to. Find the 0.11 bracket cube is the value is that 0.001331 into. So this series is given that and the value is that 2025. That's why directly can be written as 2025. So multiplying these two terms which is equals to 2.69575 and this value is approximately 2.695. That's why answer C is the correct option. So next, simplify 8.7 minus 7.6 minus 6.5 minus 5.4 minus 4.3 minus 2. This is a vinculum bar. All brackets are complete which is equals to what? So find the value of this expression is that. Again there are 4 options are given here. A is 2.5, B is 3.5, C is 4.5 and D option is 5.5. So this type of example solve by using V Bodmas rule So according to V BODMAS rule, which is nothing but V means vinculum bar, B means bracket of the operation is division, multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So first simplify innermost bracket with a vinculum bar followed by the braces and then solve the square bracket. So here in this expression, let us solve the innermost bracket in which vinculum bar calculation. So in the next step, this given expression in the next step, which is equals to 8.7 minus 7.6 minus in bracket 6.5 minus. So first we solve this vinculum bar calculation. So 4.3 minus 2 is equals to what? 2.3. Now in the next step, first we solve inner bracket. So 8.7 minus 7.6 minus 6.5 minus, so subtraction of these two terms is 5.4 minus 2.3, which is equals to 3.1. So in the next step, again first we solve inner bracket calculation. So 8.7 minus 7.6 minus subtraction of these two numbers is 3.4. So in the next step, which is equals to 8.7 minus 4.2, and the last step 8.7 minus 4.2, which is equals to 4.5. So option C is a correct answer. In the last, simplify 0.2 into 0.2 plus 0.01 into 0.1 into 0.1 plus 0.02 bracket inverse, which is equals to what? Again there are four options are given here. A is 5 upon 3, B is 9 upon 5, C option is 41 upon 4 and the D option is 41 upon 12. Let us see the solution. So given expression can be written as, this is a first term 0.2 into 0.2 plus 0.1 divide by, so this term in the second term, so bracket inverse, that's why it can be written as denominator. So in the previous lecture we learned laws of indices. So a to the power minus n, it can be written as 1 upon a raised to n, that's why. So this inverse term can be written in the denominator. So 0.1 into 0.1 plus 0.02, which is equals to, in the next step 0.2 into 0.2 is a 0.04 plus 0.01 divided by, again multiplying these two terms, 0.01 plus 0.02, which is equals to, adding these two numbers, that is equals to 0.05 divided by 0.03, which is equals to 5 upon 3, because if the numerator and the denominator of a fraction contain the same number of decimal places, then we remove the decimal sign, that's why it can be written as 5 upon 3, and answer A is a correct option, that is equals to 5 upon 3. So in the next video lecture we learn the another topic of the aptitude with examples. Okay, thank you.